Welcome to Milan, Italia.
Got a ticket. Garibaldi.
Thank you, train.
I am outside. Place is busy and ridiculous. Seems like I'm in the correct place. Train depot. I'm trying out the metro. 3 days for 15.50. Got the ticket. Duomo. Impressive. Obviously we have a guy on a horse. Третий door. Точно пятка. Точно knee. Place is ridiculous. Well, I've been here. Leonardo. Americano for €2.
I got the ticket.
To Lake Como. Buongiorno, people. We got some good looking trains. Oh, there is a hand like in Antalya. Well, I made it. Now I have to go to Tokyo. Whole lake is fenced off. I like it so far. Weather is perfection. Noise levels very low. Oh yeah, I swam in the lake. Van life. That's the way to do it. Funicular. €7 each way. St. Vitaly Tower. Creativity Week. Crazy Tower. I need some food. It's not in Istanbul, that's for sure. That's some architecture for you. €2. I need to get to the trains. Second day in Italia, and no Ferrari, no Lamborghini. I am in the good hands. And we are back to Milano. They even fixed the apple. Very cool. need to find the Ferrari store. All the cheap brands. I found the Ferrari store. Got some shoes. I'm way too rich for this place. Very nice fountain. And then there's this place. It's a freaking castle. Have to come back during the day.
Jonas, vete de acá.
Kid is crazy. Where's your parents, bro?
Piazza Diocleziano. Viale Certosa.
It's my day number 3 in Italy. And I've seen no Lamborghini, no Ferrari. But it's about to change. Finally. Lamborghini Milan. Well, thank you very much. There's one more.
Tomba di Manzoni.
That's what she said. Silenzio. Pasta is dead. And somebody just died in a Fiat. I decided to visit Monza. We got a fountain in Monza. Palm trees. Some dolls for you.
Monumento ai caduti.
Exactly. Pretty cool place. This thing is ridiculous. It's not gonna fit. I've seen enough. I've seen enough in Monza. I'm out of here, bro. Waiting for the train. Is it behind me? Came back during the day. Bro is in prison.
Arco della Pace.
Arco della Pace. Welcome. Milano navigli. There's some fish. Another bridge. At this point, I'm a bridge channel. Friday night in center of Milan. It's my last day today. Time to freaking get out of here. And I'm off to Venice. I need to get to the bus. I made it to the bus stop. Lamborghini. The bus is here.